welcome back to Three Peeps and a Pup. Today we're doing a different video. We're going to be testing this Dippin Dot machine that I got for my birthday. And we have 3 different flavors. We did Sprite, Cherry Coke Zero, zero sugar, and mango juice. And ours leaks a lot, so yeah. It comes with 6 Dippin Dot trays, 3 dispensers, 4 spoons, and 4 cups, and 2 Dippin Dot suckers, that's what I call them, that we're not going to use today because we don't know how to use them. And 1, like, what's it? Nozzle, whatever it's called, nozzle. Let's get started. Okay. Which one are we doing first? I'm going to do the pink one. I don't think we even need them. And then put this right here. I found a drip.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, now pull this.
Push it.
Oh. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. That's amazingly cool. Oh, but yeah. That's fine.
Soda may not be a good idea.
It may be. It will taste good. That's the great thing about soda. It will always taste good. No.
Well, yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
It will freeze.
Yep. Just take the top. Take the nozzle off. No.
Which one? This one?
Yep. Take it off. And then put the tray gently over to the side, and we'll wipe it off before we put it in the freezer. Yep.
Okay. Now I want to turn this, and we're doing Sprite. There. That one's doing way better than the others. Yeah. We might have to do mangoes for every day. Okay, did I cover set or no? We are gonna fill the rest with mango, and then we're gonna freeze it. It is time to get the Dippin Dots out of our freezer. We think they have been sitting long enough. So, now. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it doesn't feel like it's going to pop out of there very easy. All right, you want to try just one? See how the top. Take it off.
It actually worked.
Oh
my gosh.
Does it look like Dippin' Dots?
Yeah, kind of, but they're really big.
Well,
They're still Dippin Dots.
Yep.
Yeah, this one won't get out. It's just, yeah.
All right, we want to break all of them up and then test them?
Yeah.
Taste them? Okay.
Okay, so we have our Dippin Dots. We have the mango right here. We have mango, but for fun we added some coconut milk in there because we wanted to see how it tasted. And then we have Sprite, not a lot of it. And then we have Cherry Coke Zero. And we have my mom here today, the 3rd peep, to help me test these.
We probably could just eat it out of the bowl. Just us.
No.
No?
Let me get you a big scoopy. Ah. These spoons don't work.
It's not meant to scoop like that. All right, I can do that.
Okay.
We're gonna try mango first.
Yeah.
Just plain mango juice.
Plain.
Okay.
Get some more. 'Cause I like the mango juice.
How do you know?
Oh, I meant like I like the normal.
You just like mango juice. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks sort of like a Dippin' Dot.
It's just flavored ice. But it tastes really good.
Pretty tasty.
Yeah. Mango's a win. Mango's definitely a win.
It's pretty cold. Yeah, that's good. Okay, which one's next? Mango with coconut milk.
Yeah.
Okay. You can tell the difference in the color, can't you?
Yeah, because this one has coconut milk and it made it white.
That's all I need. Let's taste it.
What does it smell like?
Mangoes.
Mangoes.
Ready?
I can't get mine.
Ooh.
My spoon
Oh my goodness.
Mm.
That's so good. Mmm.
Oh,
That's a win.
this.
That's better than that one.
I got a lot of coke.
Oh.
The tiny blob.
That's a win.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't really form the balls as well as the other one did, though.
Oh. Maybe because it's too creamy.
Never. That's good flavor, though. Mm. All right, what's next?
So this is definitely our favorite so far. So
Yeah.
we're gonna put that right there. And mango juice is a
Second.
probably.
Yep.
Okay, next one.
Which one's this? Sprite. Now, Sprite didn't turn out very well.
It didn't. It kind of melted, but we'll try it still. Now this one has the exact same melting thing
That's all I need.
as the real Dippin' Dots.
Yeah, it melts pretty fast, doesn't it?
That is so good.
Tastes like frozen Sprite.
I love it. It tastes like the McDonald's frozen Sprite lemonade Fanta.
Yeah, but it didn't work very well.
I mean, I
Let me
would
see
give
it.
this for flavoring second, and then mango goes to third.
Maybe for flavoring, but not for formation of Dippin' Dots.
Okay, and our last one we have Cherokee Zero.
That one didn't turn out very good either.
It did. I mean, you can move it around, and it makes the satisfying sound. Get some first. This one I'm excited about because when I first heard that we can make Dippin' Dots at Cherokee Zero, I was like, what?
It did form better than the Sprite, though.
Mhm.
Tastes like frozen cherry Coke. Zero.
It tastes really good. Ugh, I can't get it out.
I think overall my favorite is definitely this, but the mango juice made formed the Dippin' Dot balls better.
Yeah,
in my
I
opinion.
think this is definitely before the mango. Because this flavoring is better than mango. Well, first our definitely favorite was the coconut milk mango. Yeah, that one's really good. Our second favorite is the Sprite. It's already like clear and melting. It's watered down. And then third is the Coke. Cherry Coke. That one tastes really good too. And the mango formed the best, had good flavor, but Sprite and Coke definitely beat it.
I think overall the Dippin' Dot
Wait,
frozen dot maker was
a win.
A win? You think?
There are recipes, but don't just put stuff in straight. I mean, if it's juice, it's fine. But this one turned out the best. So, subscribe if you want to see more videos.
Maybe you can help us come up with the next concoction of our Dippin' Dots maker.
Yeah.
Peace.